Okay, distribution. It's doing exactly the same thing that we just got done doing in the last video, only we're doing it to multiple terms at the same time. So basically, distribution means that every term inside the parentheses gets multiplied by the monomial in front. It's just kind of a way of group multiplying without having to write it every single time. So what this is saying is that the -3 in front here gets multiplied times the 5m and times the -7. Okay, so times both of those. So we're just, like I said, multiple multiplications. So the -3, don't forget your signs. If you want to, you can say this is a negative times a positive, so it's going to be negative first. Write it down so you don't forget. 3 times 5 is 15. And then this has no variable, but this has an m. Okay, so there's nothing to multiply, so you just bring it down. So negative times negative is positive. 3 times 7 is 21. No variables for either of them, so we are done. Box your answer. Okay? Same thing here. Sign, going to multiply it times both of them. Okay? Sign, negative times a positive is negative. 5 times 3 is 15. B squared times B. Remember, this is B to the first, so that would be B to the third. Positive times negative again is negative. 5 times 1 is 5. B squared, there's no B's over here, so it's just B squared. Okay? Okay, remember what I said, you might have to pause the video. Some people don't have a whole lot of data, so we need to make sure that these aren't very long. So you will pause them and work on them as you need to. Okay, 2m times negative 6m. So positive times negative is negative. 2 times 6 is 12. M to the first times m to the first is m squared. And then positive times a positive is positive. 2 times, remember there's a 1 in front of here, so 2 times 1 is 2. M and N, make sure there are certain like U's and V's and M's and N's and D's and B's, they look similar, so make sure you're looking at the details. This is M, there's nothing over here, so I just bring it down. There's an N, there's no other N out here, so I just bring it down, MN. Okay? So, does it change if I have 3 numbers inside? Well, no, it doesn't. It doesn't matter how many terms are inside this set of parentheses, you're saying that this -4v multiplies times all of them. So we're just going to repeat what we've been doing. So negative times a positive is negative. 4 times 7 is 28. V times v squared is v to the third. Negative times negative is positive. 4 times 2 is 8. V times v is v squared. Negative times positive is negative. 4 times 6 is 24. And there's only a v, so v. Okay, so this is an important skill for doing what we're going to be doing in the next video.